So today we will be starting off with the clauses. We have talked about few of the clauses yesterday, and today also we will be talking about few more clauses. So few clauses which we talked about yesterday was between. So I have just opened the SQL Server Management Studio, a new query over here. I can click on the new query to get this. SQL is not case sensitive. You can write in upper or lower case. And let's see quickly the between clause. Between is used for a range. I told you yesterday, so I'm giving you a one word. Remember range. Whenever you have a requirement of range, you can simply use between. So between is for range. So let's take an example. I will say select start from emp_cell. So I'm getting 69 records over here. Now I want only those people whose salary is between 150 to 250,000. So I will say select start from employee salary. Where select start from employee salary where salary between 150,000 and 250,000. Here it is. So you can see I'm getting only 11 records over here. So where the salary is between 150 to 250,000. So between is used for range. Another operator we have over here is in. Another clause I will say. In is used for list. In is used for list. Which is, so suppose I want to get the details of HR, MIS and IT team members. So I can say select start from emp_cell where department in HR, IT, MIS. Here it is. So I'm getting 23 records over here. Okay, so I'm getting only the details of HR, MIS and IT team members. So that is in. Like we have talked about yesterday, like is for pattern matching. Just remember the words I am giving you. And I would also suggest you to keep a pen and a paper handy with you, because I will be providing a lot of some most important interview tips and the topics from where you will be getting the questions in the interview. So you can note down those points further in the session. Like is used for pattern matching, which has provided two operators, that is percentage and underscore. Percentage represents any number of characters and underscore represents a single character. Underscore represents a single character. So suppose I want to get the details of all those employees. Let's take select start from EM. So here you can see, just look at the address too. We have Dwarka, and we'll see a lot of people from Dwarka sector 3. So I want to get the details of all the team members who are from Dwarka. So I can say select start from EMP where address to like percent like percentage Dwarka percentage. So if anywhere in the address the word Dwarka is coming, we need to see that. So we are getting 15 records where, so 15 employees are there who are from Dwarka. Okay, let's proceed. So that was the like operator. The next we have a count like clause, count clause over here. So count is used to count the number of values within a field. So I can say select count of, let's take asterisk from EMP, or let's take EMP underscore cell. So I'm having 69 records in the employee salary table. 69 records in the employee salary table. And if you say select count of salary from EMP underscore cell, 68. I'm getting 68. Why? Because I have one record in which the salary value has not been specified. So that's why. So count does not clause, count does not count the the null values. The next we have is a distinct clause. Distinct, it used to give the distinct. Gives the unique values of a field. So I will say select distinct department from, select distinct department from EMP underscore cell. So I have 6 departments in the company. So I'm getting the distinct value of the departments over here. This is a distinct clause. Proceeding further, now these are very important. Order by, group by, having. So very, very important, specifically from uses as well as interview point of view. So the first one is order by. Order by is used for sorting. So I will say select star from EMP underscore cell order by let's take salary. So you can see the data has been arranged according to the salary from the minimum to the maximum. Okay. And null has the minimum value. That's why it is coming at the top. Then if you wanted to put it in a descending manner, order by this descending. Maximum to minimum is being displayed over here. So order by used for sorting. And you can also sort on the multiple columns as well. Suppose I will say select star from order, select star from employee cell, order by department, comma salary. And here it goes. So now I have the admin team members arranged according to their salary. Then I have the HR team members arranged according to the salary and so on. Okay, here it is. Right. So this is a sorting. Then we have group by. Group by is used to create a group. Supposingly, I want to get the total salary of each department. How much salary is being distributed in each department? So I can say select department, comma, sum of salary from employee salary, and I will say group by department. Let's execute it, and here it goes. So I'm getting the total salary department wise, and you can see there is no name for this column. And this sum which we have used over here, it is an aggregated function. Just few minutes from now, we will be talking about the aggregated function. So just to give you an example, I have used an aggregated function over department comma sum of salary from employee cell group by department. And if, as you see, there is no name to this column, so I can put a label over here. So I can say as total cost. Here it is, right? So group by is used to create a group over here. Then we have a having clause. Now, supposingly out of this, I just wanted to get only those the cost of those departments where the total cost is more than 900,000. So I will say the same query and I will just say having. Greater than 900,000. You are getting only 4 records where the total cost is more than 900,000. Where the total cost is more than 900,000. So you might be wondering that I have initially told you where. We specify the where clause. Now instead of where, why are we using having? So remember, it is a very important question, the difference between where and having. Where is used to specify the condition on a field, and having is used to specify a condition on a group. Having is used to specify a condition on a group. So I'm putting a condition of this group, or you can also say that having is used with an aggregated function. So I'm using having sum of salary. That's why having will work over here. So this where, group by, having, order by, these are very important questions. And let me give you a very common interview question is, let us take order by, having, where, group by. Order by, having, where, group by. In most of the interviews, you will get this question. They will give you these 4 clauses and they will ask you to get them arranged according to their sequence in the order of their uses. Which operator will come first? Which clause will come first? So first of all, the correct answer of this is that is, first of all, we will have where. Where means putting the condition on the field. Then we have group by. We will create a group. Then we will put having if we need to specify a condition on a group. And lastly, order by will always be asked. Order by will always be last because arrangement comes in the end. Whatever you have to do, you have done, and now you have to arrange it, and that will be the last task. Okay, so where, group by, having, order by. This is the sequence which has to be used. So remember the sequence, important from the interview point of view. And to justify this, let's take one example over here. And right, let's take an example. I will say select department, comma, count of EID, comma, sum of salary from emp underscore cell by department. Here it is. And if you want, I can give the name to the label as, let's take team size, and let us say as total cost. Team size and total cost over here is being displayed. So in admin team, there are 10 team members and the total cost is this. In the temp team, there are 20 team members and the total cost is this. Now, I want you to see, now I want to get only the managers. I want to get the details of only how many department wise, how many managers are there and what is their total cost. So I will say where designation is equal to manager. So I'm getting department wise number of managers and their total cost. Now I want only the managers, only the cost of, only the details of those department where the total cost is more than, let's take 900,000 or let's take 500,000. So total cost having. So we are getting only one where the total cost is more than 500,000. So we make it as 200,000 and let's see how many we are getting. We are getting 2. Let's take 130,000. Okay, so I'm getting 4 departments over here. And now I want to get it arranged according to the salary in the descending order. So I will say order by sum of salary. So it has been arranged according to their salary. So here I'm just justified my example where group by having order by. So this is the sequence which you have to remember.